Hey beautiful people! If you want to learn how to polish epoxy resin art piece
or any other resin projects
and turn it from this
to this,
stay with us. To make resin surface look clean and glossy, especially after sanding, we always use our Max Shine polisher, which we got on Amazon for a really good price. Polishing pads are not included, so we ordered them additionally. Here's buffing and polishing kit that we always use. These are pretty popular and work very well. For each product you have to use different pad. We start with rubbing compound, which is number 1. We use the white fluffy pad for the first step with the rubbing compound. Wipe it very well using microfiber cloth. We follow the process with the polisher, which is number 2. We use the soft black pad for the second step. A little goes a long way. Clean it again very well using microfiber cloth. For the last step, we use the Shine Master by Wizards. We use the soft blue pad for the last polishing step. And again, clean and wipe it very well using microfiber cloth.